To this recording of the place of sound in the universe. Sound is Brahma. Sound, Nad Brahma, Vishwasarupa, Nadi Sakala, Jiva Rupa, Nadi Karma, Nadi Dharma, Nadi Bandhana, Nadi Mukta, Nadi Shankara, Nadi Shakti, Nadam, Nadam, Sarvam Nadam, 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 Nadam. Once more. Nad Brahma, Vishwasarupa, Nadi Sakala, Jiva Rupa, Nadi Karma, Nadi Dharma, Nadi Bandhana, Nadi Mukti, Nadi Shankara, Nadi Shakti, Nadam, Nadam, Sarvam Nadam, 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 Nadam. This means sound is Brahma, the manifestation of the universe. Sound manifests itself in the form of all life. Sound is bondage. Sound is the means for liberation. Sound is that which binds. Sound is that which liberates. Sound is the bestower of all. Sound is the power behind everything. Sound is everything.